Hey guys, so today's video is all about how I made this DIY album wall. Now, April did help me and it's kind of vlog style, so bear with me.
Okay, you guys, so on this wall, did you poke yourself?
No, the wall.
On this wall behind me, we're gonna make my album wall. And this is our canvas, it is blank. And I have, what did I say? Four by three. Yeah, 4x3. And we're gonna get it on the wall. I've selected my albums and I've arranged them and I have a picture of how I want to arrange them. And we're gonna get started. First, number 1, measure your wall.
So I started by measuring the length and the height of my actual full wall. And then as you can see, there were some positions that I needed to go inward. So I needed to start 28 inches in because I do have a radiator. And then I also needed to start inward on the other side because I do have a door on the left. Because of the two things on each side of the wall, I started 28 inches in on one side and 28.5 on the other. I found the midpoint and marked it. And on each side of that, there are 2 records. At each record, I gave 13 inches because they measured 12.5, and I wanted them as close as possible, so I left a ½ inch in between.
I just got this value pack of command strips. Just take one, put it together as you normally would, and then stick it right on the top. That's all I've been doing, y'all. Just sticking it right on the top. All right, y'all, it's been like an hour. We got one up there. Look at our handiwork. So this is the first row. And for this one, it's an opening one. So I just put a little sticky piece of command strip in the inside to Velcro it closed. And then I didn't want to do the top because I don't want to mess it up. But we are doing 13. Each one is 12. So we did 13 to have a little bit in the middle. And then we're gonna do the next row, 13 down. And then we just gonna keep going. And I've just been using one command strip on the top, except for this one I use 2 since it's heavier. And you can still pull them out through the sides.
So here I'm just showing you how I close up some of my bigger or heavier items. This is Drake Take Care, and it does open, and I believe it has multiple albums. So I'm just using cut up command strips to secure the inside.
Okay, so we got 2 left. Oh, damn time, I'm hot. So we had to add a little extra to Drake because he has 2 discs and he kind of heavy and he kind of thick, so it kind of threw shit off. Or
in real life too.
I'm dead. Oh, because that one should be like right there. But otherwise, it look decent, y'all. It's crew. All right, y'all, so it's finished. Look at that.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you get notified whenever I drop dope content. Let me know if you guys make an album wall in the comment section or how you did yours. Bye.